In this video, you will learn how to download any video from any website using your Chrome browser on your PC. It's very easy if you follow these steps. Mark my words, only Chrome browser. My name is Jackie, and with my easy step-by-step guide, you will master how to go about it like a pro. So to download videos, go to your Chrome browser. There are two ways you can do this. You can go to the top right corner, there are three dots, click on them, then click on extensions, and then click visit Chrome Web Store. The other way is to type in Web Store directly, and then click on it. So click on Chrome Web Store, and then top right, in the search extensions and theme, type Video Downloader Professional. Click on that. So you have Video Downloader Professional here. When you hover around it, you'll notice that it has 5 million users and it's rated at 4.5. So that's so many people using it. That means it's trusted. Let's add it to Chrome. And then let's also pin it. After pinning it, let's go to our web browser and find a website that has videos. Now, Pexels is one of the websites that has videos. Click on the videos, the website, and go to the videos. So let's click on this video and let's download this video. So as you can see, it's downloaded and it's gone straight to my download folder, and I can find it there and watch it at a later time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. See you another time.